Welcome students. So today we are going to have another lesson from our supplementary book, The Staff. And the title of this lesson is The Enemy. And why the title is given The Enemy? Because this lesson, the story of this lesson is written at the time of war. When the war was going on between America and Japan. So here we are going to see a story about a man, and he is a doctor and he is specialist in wounds, and his name is Dr. Sadao. And Dr. Sadao's father is very strict person. He is totally loyal towards his country, and he is very patriotic person, and he just hates American or white people because they were attacking on his country. So he was very patriotic person. So Dr. Sadao's father always wanted that my son should spend time with me. But Dr. Sadao's wish was to go to America for the higher studies. Actually that time also people from this country, they were going to complete their studies, or for the higher studies they were going to America. So Dr. Sadao also wanted to go to America. So he just insisted his father and went to America. Earlier when he went there, he faced so many problems. He just struggled a lot because they both were enemy of each other. But still he went there and he spent his time in one of the family. And there he met a girl whose name was Hannah. But Dr. Sadao did not come to make any kind of relationship with Hannah. Even he liked her, but he did not make any relationship, he did not propose it. But slowly and gradually when he came to know that Hannah is not an American, rather she is also from her country. So he became very excited that now I can marry her, because he also liked her. So what happened? Dr. Sadao proposed her and Hannah accepted. After that both of them got married and they returned back to their own country. Now when they returned to their country, here he started his practice. Now and he was continuously with his work, and he was a doctor, specialist, as I told earlier. Now Dr. Sadao was very happy with his family. Now one day in the evening, actually his house was near sea. And whose house? Dr. Sadao's house. So near sea, his house, we can call it, his house was on beach. So now one evening when he was walking along with his wife Hannah at the beach, then suddenly he saw somebody at the beach. And when they went to him and they tilted him, they found that he was a soldier. And he was a soldier. When they just rubbed his face, they found that he was too much. He was not feeling well. Means we can say he was in danger. He was about to die because his body was totally wounded, and he was not able to move. With no movement can be seen in his body. So therefore these two people, Dr. Sadao and his wife, they both thought that we should help this man. And they just took some of the things at the beach and just put it on his wound so that bleeding can be stopped. After some time, they both, with the help of their shoulder, they brought the soldier to their home. And when they washed out his face, they found that that man was American soldier. When he found that he was an American soldier, so he was little bit afraid. Why he was afraid? Because war was going on, an American soldier came to attack on his country. If he is helping them, he will be punished. So in the beginning he had some fear. But still he was a doctor, so he said to his wife, I am a doctor and my job is to save the life of a person, whoever he is. So he just tried to help. But his wife said, no, you should not do that. We should call to our servant and they will just wash his body. But Dr. Sadao continued with his work. So his wife went and call her one of the servant, and her name was Yumi. So she went to Yumi and told Yumi just to clean the body of that soldier. But Yumi just denied. She did not do. She said, no, we cannot help him because he is our enemy. Why should we help him? We should kill him, we should let him die, or we should throw him back into the sea. But Dr. Sadao did not agree, and he himself just cleaned his wound, and he just bandage, and he put ointment and everything, whatever he could do to save him. He just tried it from his side, his best, because both husband and wife were doctors, and they just helped to save him. Slowly and gradually, the servant of the family, Dr. Sadao's family, the servant whosoever was working there, they just thought that these people are helping enemy, so they just left the house. They just left that house and they did not continue their work there. When they went, they left away the house. Dr. Sadao and his wife, they both had a fear that they may go out and speak to someone that we are keeping an American soldier in our house. So we could be in danger. But still, he did not worry about that danger, but he can continue with his job. And what was his job? To save the life of American soldier. Now next what happened? When the recovery was continued and that man was becoming recovered. So this man was having too much fear, doctor. So he just went to American general and he just spoke everything to him. But general was also thinking that he is a doctor and he is very useful man, so he did not get angry. But he very politely said, no problem, you just help him and you informed me, it is very good to us. Now what shall I do? I will help him to arrest or will kill him. So I will send my soldiers to kill him, and sharpshooter I will send at night. What you have to do? You just keep the back door open of your house so that it will look natural. That it is not planned, rather our soldiers have seen that man and they came inside the room and killed him. In this way, the general told Dr. Sadao. Now Dr. Sadao was very much satisfied that at last I have informed to the general, and general soldiers will come at night and they will kill him. So very first night, that evening when he returned, that night he did not sleep. Even he did not speak anything to his wife that I have informed about this soldier to the general. He came and slept, but he whole night could not sleep because something was going on in his mind. And whenever some sound was coming, he was thinking that the soldier of sharpshooter might have come and now they will kill him. So he was again and again looking here and there at the room. But nobody came first night. Second night also he thought that he will come and they will kill. But second night also nobody came. Third night also he waited, but third night also he did not, nobody came. Now after continuation of 3 nights, means for the 3 nights nobody came. So this doctor was too much worried. So he thought that might be he has not sent his soldier, or he must have forgotten, or they might not be getting his house. So after spending those consecutive 3 nights, he thought that now I should help this soldier to send him back to his home country. So fourth night, what he did, he just planned to send that man back. So he arranged one boat, one flashlight, and some food plus clothes. So these all things he planned for this man, and at night he has taken him at the beach, and he made him sit in the boat and gave him one flashlight and told that you just go in this boat, and when you reach at the last corner, that corner or far, you will be out of danger. That time you just give me the flashlight and I will understand that you are safe. In this way, he just managed to explain everything. And the soldier was very much thankful, and he just sat in the boat and returned. And after reaching to the another corner or some distance from that country, he just gave flashlight. And Dr. Sadao and his wife both were very happy that that man has reached safely to his home. After that, Dr. Sadao went to general and asked general why you did not send your soldiers or sharpshooters. So general told that I had forgotten because I had many work and I was not feeling well, so I just forgot to send soldiers to kill him. But still it is not clear in the chapter, it is not made clear whether that the general has really forgotten or he just did not send anyone to kill him. So what was his plan, that is not clear in the lesson. So in this way the lesson is coming to end. And in this way we have seen the humanity of doctor, and even at the time of war the doctors are always doctors, they always think to save the life of a person. So for that only they are there. So in this lesson we have seen different types of people, the nature of father, Hannah, Dr. Sadao, even the general and the soldiers who was American. So all the characters are very important. Character sketch also can be asked from this lesson, and the question may be asked. It is very important lesson, and I hope with the help of the summary you will be able to write the answers of the question whosoever or whatsoever is asked from the lesson. With this all, thank you very much. Have a good day.